So yeah, all I did was find center line, which it's 3.5 inches, so it's 1.75, obviously. And it's the same thing that way. It's 1.75. So, there's your 1 inch mark, and then 1, 2, 3/4 of an inch. The big lines are the quarters. So that's what I did, and then it's 5 inches from corner to corner, which would be 2.5 inches. So 2 inches and a half, obviously. So that's where I got my center line. That'll just give you something good. We'll eyeball this.
Mm-hmm.
And see if you made it all the way through. But you didn't.
No.
So we need to expand this a little bit more. Which we can't, but you've already got your pilot, so where is that screw that we just had? Was there a screw laying underneath it? Oh, here it is. This is perfect. Can you see how the thread's still showing through? That's how you find your size. Or the best way is like, do you see how thick that? See what you got. Now we look at the zero, like a sentence like that. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, it's only using like this. So it'll basically do it up where you start to do your bubbles. That's it. Maybe more. That way you clean up there.
Oh yeah, sawdust.
Now you can figure out where this needs to go. So place it how you like it. You want it to go this way, that way, any way you want it.
Yeah, that looks fine.
And then what we'll do, so that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then what you'll do is, as I fuck it up, so there's our center.
Let's just stick something through it to mark it.
Nope, I'll show you a trick. I just want to make sure that we're not going to mess up your Cypress, which I'm pretty sure we're not.
See why I didn't do this by myself?
It's always good to have a hand. Mm-hmm. There you go, just put your drill bit all the way through.
Okay.
And all the way. Check it out. There you go. Now you have your hole to get you started, and you actually did a damn good job. If we measured that, it would probably be spot on in the middle. That's hilarious. You did a great job. Da. Ugh. Just be very, these are sharp, so you just gotta be very careful. I'm just rolling with this groove. If you can tell what I was doing. There you go. Basically, you just drill it to the depth of that. When it seats, you're done. Now, like I said, this is a wood bit, so we should have started with this, but it might jump on you. You'll be okay. Yep.
Am I at rubber band?
Mm-hmm.
Should I keep going or no?
I pull it out. Alright, let's see how you get now. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. And then when we're done, we can take it all back apart. You always build it and then finish it. You know, you don't complete it as you go. And then when you got a little bit on the other side, that's when you'll use it to line that.
Oh, or I could just screw into this block.
Spin it. There you go. There's your alignment.
Looks fabulous. Can't remember what way I wanted it, or if it even matters. It's fine. Did you twist or not really?
Perfect. Keep going. Go till it stops. That's it. Or is it still turning easy?
Well, depends on.
I mean, it'll rest against wood, so you'll definitely feel like a lot of...
Oh, okay.
Is that it?
Oh, yeah.
And then this. Yeah. So you have to...